Good morning. Calculations for determining the number of 20-watt bulbs that can be safely used on a 6/8 circuit breaker with a 1.5 millimeter copper cable. I'll break down the explanation for clarity. Summary of the calculation. 6A. Supply voltage 230 volts single phase, 20 wattage. Safety factor 125% to account for overload conditions. Step-by-step calculation. 1 total power capacity of the circuit. You already calculated the maximum power capacity of the circuit by considering the 125% safety factor. PI to where I equals 6A circuit breaker rating. V equals 230 volts supply voltage. Substituting the values, P equal to 62 through 31.52, 1/3, 8, and 1.25 to 104 W. So the circuit can handle a total load of 104 Wbs with a 6-amp breaker and 230 volt supply. 2. Calculating the number of 20-watt bulbs. The total load of 24 W can be used to determine how many 20-watt bulbs can safely be connected. Number of bulbs equals 14 W to 20 watt per bulb, 55.2. So you can safely connect 55 bulbs of 20 watts each to the 6/8 circuit. 3. Confirming the current draw. To verify that the current drawn by 55 bulbs is within the 6A breaker's rating, I equals 100 per 2/3 Y equals 4.73183 1.9978 A. The total current drawn by 55 bulbs is approximately 5.98 A, which is under the 6A circuit breaker's limit. Based on the calculations, you can safely place stuff 55 bulbs of 20 watt on a 6-amp circuit breaker with 1.5 millimeter copper cable on a 230 volt supply. The current drawn will be approximately 5.98 amps, which is within the 6-amp